Hey yo, okay, hey yo, hey Polino. Okay, it's two letters. You dudes don't get cheddar like me. I work at Walmart for the better of my family and my niggas. I'm just trying to grind, but I still got a CD. Ego trippy. Download that if you haven't. You already know we go harder. We hotter than the ratchet after blasting. 4 shots licking off in the sky. Fuck that. Gravity coming down at you now. You already know we pass it down. Pass the blunts, pass around. You already know we in this bitch and we laughing now. Laughing high, got the munchies. About to eat because we're hungry. Someone better ask about AP. I'm crazy, don't play me. Cause you know I will spray 3. Psych, it ain't about that hard shit. I am crazy. I said that shit before, smoking haze. Now I am lazy. Psych, I got a cig. That's not what it is. My breath don't stink cause I always clean the bitch. You already know I'm known and infamous for talking shit and how I changed the beat, but I'ma still rip that motherfucking shit that you didn't get. And the shit is whack, but you still fuck with me. 2 letters. Download that. Yeah.